So far, we've looked at examples of enumeration data and struct data. And in this video, we'll be covering another type of data called union data. Essentially, union data combines multiple types of data into a single data type, which might be useful, for example, when we want to represent a single value as one of multiple types. So in this case, we'll be defining data called a person or unknown, which can represent either a person, or if they're unknown, we'll just use the Boolean value false to signify that we don't know this person's detail. So let's say a person or unknown is one of person, which is the data type above, or the Boolean value false. And in our interpretation, we'll say a person or unknown represents a person whose information may not be known. Let's define some examples. So an unknown person, first of all, will just be the Boolean value false. Let's define an example. Spock is just a person, and we've already defined Spock as an example when we define person. So we can just copy that constant, that example, into a new example for POU. And to do so, we'll just copy over the value person Spock. And let's do one more, just to have plenty of examples. We'll copy over Amanda, person Amanda. So now we have 3 examples of union data. We have 3 examples of this new type, person or unknown. And now, to write our template, say POU temp. Again, we want to start with the 3 dots. We take a conditional statement. We test, is this a Boolean? So we use the function Boolean, which tests if POU is a Boolean. If it is, return something. We don't know exactly what yet. Otherwise, if it's a person, POU is a person, then we want to return something, but since we know it's a person, we have the person template above, we can simply call the person template on POU and let that handle the data. Three dots and finish off the template. So now we have the completed data definition for person or unknown, which can be either a person or the Boolean value false. And this has been an example of union data.